Migratory birds are among the planet's greatest connectors. Each spring, they return to New York, to our parks and neighborhoods. Birds like wood thrush, magnolia warbler, and scarlet tanager that bring color and song back to this city depend on forests thousands of miles away. At the Wildlife Conservation Society, protecting those connections is at the heart of our work. Across Mesoamerica, we work with governments, indigenous peoples, and local communities to protect the 5 Great Forests, a 30 million acre ecological corridor stretching from Mexico to Colombia. These forests are vital flyways and winter homes for the migratory birds that connect New York to the tropics. But illegal cattle ranching, organized crime, and climate change are destroying the 5 Great Forests at an alarming rate. In response, WCS and local partners are strengthening forest protection, supporting sustainable livelihoods like cacao production, tackling forces like illegal cattle ranching that drive deforestation, and restoring damaged lands. The goal is to protect 24 million acres and restore over 120,000 acres of critical habitat. Because when we protect these tropical forests, the birds we love return, filling our parks and neighborhoods with song each spring.